Hello and welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to show the harvesting of paddy in our local, and you're also seeing that, and there are 4 or 5 members or farmers are doing this, and behind me this is a land, and they are doing this work since morning, have been doing this work since morning. And also behind this is another person. He is taking the rest here and he is getting ready to going to cut the paddy also. And this paddy is around 10 like one kind of a very huge land, which land is being cut by these farmers have come from the Rangpur divisions last day, and they are doing this. And also you're seeing that this is another person. He's changing his dress and he's going there to cut and to join that work with them and to help more. And this is the harvesting, the starting point of our local village or local field. And because if you see the surroundings, the full of the full of the paddy field and paddy seed also, and paddy crops are now reaped and it's time for harvesting, and they have already started doing that. And more importantly, it's Bangladesh is the most demandable product, demandable chips things, demandable everything is demandable and very choiceable product is rice that comes from the paddy. And this is doing here. Whenever you go, whichever places you go at this time in Bangladesh, you will see this type of field 90%, because our Bangladesh's most demandable things or product is rice. And we are also observing this is also necessary for us. And also this time and this season, this type of farmers is very also demandable in our local, because our local people are not directly adopted in this profession, because it is one kind of hard things and you need to patience, you need a lot of energy, because you have to work in the hottest area in the rainy seasons, in the rain time, whatever you have to take this. But you have to continuously do it and you have to not release it, because you have to take you have to take the 40 to 50 kg the paddy on your hand and you carry it for 10 minutes. You have to work for this to go the destination of the owner of the field. So at least you have to do. So you have to start work from the early morning and this continuously do till evening time. And the per wages for a farmer is around 80 to 1000 taka. It's a very high price because it's one kind of hard time and very hard work also this time. And something more, because there is no enough farmers except this in our local person, because before there are a lot of person, because in our local people used to do this, used to cultivate, but they have no any interest to do this. So this reason you have to take other person out of the other districts, our division also, and they come here this division every year to cut this huge land paddy field as well, and they're continuously doing this. So this is my second video about harvesting. I hope you get some notice and some different kind of notice and information about Bangladesh's local village harvesting also. Goodbye for this video. I'll come back the next video very soon to show more about other things in another place. Assalamu alaikum.